Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. In today's lesson, we will learn how to create the PowerPoint slides in easy steps using AI. So, how we can do that? Let us understand. First of all, we will go to PowerPoint. Inside the PowerPoint, we have to enable the ChatGPT for PowerPoint. That will be enabled through add-ins. And one how we can enable this add-in, we have to log in with Microsoft account and we have to enable AI feature. And once the AI feature is enabled, then we have to create the slide using uh, two different methods. One method is to on the topic, we have to choose our topics. We have to give some different topics like I want to write a blog or white paper, or you need to write something on website, right? So you have to give some topics over here, like can you please tell us something about the Prime Minister of India, right? Or Prime Minister of US, or President of US. So this way, this I we have to give the topic. Based on the topic, and the AI will generate content for you, different slides. And other ways, text. So we have the text. Based on this text, we need to create a summarize, PowerPoint slides based on your requirement. So what are your requirements? And suppose I have given the topics. I need to give the topics. Need to provide the language, in which language you want to create a slide, and the number of slides. So how many slides you want on this topic. So with this information, the AI will generate the PowerPoint slides for you. Similarly, in text, you have to provide the text, then you have to provide the language, in which language you want to create the slides, and last one, number of slides you want. So once you provide this, then the AI will automatically create um, PowerPoint slides with different look and feel, right? So and like the PowerPoint slides will be generated by the AI as we discussed. So this is time for demo. Now we are in PowerPoint. To enable the add-ins, ChatGPT add-ins, we need to click on add-ins in the left upper corner. You can see here. Click on here, and you can find ChatGPT for PowerPoint. Click add. If you are already logged in with your Microsoft account, it will show you this one. Otherwise, it will ask you to log in, right? So you have to provide your user ID and password, or the single sign-on if you are already logged in with your other account, Microsoft, right? So I have already logged in. That's why it is not asking me to log logged in back, right? So you can see two things: create topic, create from topic. So first of all, we'll click on create from topic. Before that, if you see, click on plan. You can see your plan, right? Or you can click on here also. Here free trial, 3 presentation left. So I can create only 3 presentation. So click here, add topic. So let's suppose create a blog in AIML, right? Yeah, English language I select, and uh, number of slides. Number of slide I say 5. I want 5 slides, right? And I need to click on continue. And say these are 5 slides. Understanding AIML steps building. I'll give you a brief about it, and then you can click on continue, right? And then you have to again continue. Now you can see these slides are getting created. You can see all the slides are created over here. The first is creating a blog on in AIML. Second is understanding in AIML. Third one is steps to building a blog in AIML. Content creation and curation in AIML blog. And last one, conclusion. So this way you can create your own slides, right? Now one thing is done. Now I want to create from text. Click on here. You need to paste some data. So I'm just pasting over here. English. I just want, okay, 7 slides. 7 slide I want, and I want to continue. It will give you the outline for 7 slides, abstraction, understanding, all those things. And now, if you want, you can add more slides also, right? I can't continue because I don't, free plan is gone, right? So let me see if I can close some, yeah. Only 5 slides I want, because the free plan I can create only 5 slides. Continue, continue. Now you can see my, this is the 6 abstraction. Understanding Kubernetes, the role of AI container orchestration. I want to be a white paper on Kubernetes. So it gives me these slides, 5 different slides. Right? This way you can create your own slides based on your requirement. Now we have seen how to quickly create PowerPoint slides using AI. This will end to our video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't hesitate to ask any questions, and please like, share and subscribe if you really like this video. Thank you so much.